Well, we're out here at Leonard Lake. That is not a real plane, folks. That is a gentleman out here flying this plane. This is very cool. See if he'll land it again. Look at that. That's not a real plane. This is so cool. I'm out here fishing and get to see this. It doesn't get any better than this. Enjoying the morning sun with my fiance, fishing, and watching this gentleman fly this toy plane. Right there's the guy doing it. So let's go back. Like I said, this is not a real plane. Now I gotta find it again. Where the heck is it? There it is. There it is. I hope he comes in for a landing. This will be so cool if he does. Is he coming in for a landing? Oh, watch this. This is great. This is great. Here you go. Boom. Boom goes the dynamite. And he's taking off again. Tell me that ain't cool, folks. You all have a good day, because I already am. The lake.